Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Toro Wheel Horse that I'm working on today. The lift assembly failed, and I'll show you what it's supposed to look like and how to take it off and put it back on. This is the old one that has broken, and this is the new one that I'm going to be installing, along with the brass spacer and a clip to hold it in. And I'll show you how that's all installed. Okay, as you can see, when you pull the lever, this pulls up and pulls the deck up. This is supposed to be mounted up inside there. So right now, we're going to go ahead and take this nut right here off. It's a fiber lock nut. It's a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to remove the lift arm assembly. Now, in order to install the new one, it looks like this on one side, and you got this little groove in it for your clip. You're going to take your brass sleeve and just drop it on there. Now you got a hole right up here. You want to just slide it through there. And on the other side, you have a hole right there. It don't go all the way through, but you want to take your lift bar and you want to stick it right there in that little hole. Now you want to get up here, and you have that sleeve that I was telling you about earlier, the brass sleeve. You just want to take and push it back in there. Now this thing will move very well. It's just solid. It's not going to slop around. That's what this sleeve's for. Now to hold that sleeve in there, you want to take this clip and you want to stick it right in here where that groove is to keep that sleeve from sliding out. And I'll do that with a pair of pliers. Now this clip here is a nice tight fit, so what I would do, I'll go ahead and stick it up here on the side like this so that it doesn't fall. And then I'll take a screwdriver or a pair of pliers and push it in. If I can get my big fat hands up in here. There we go. And there it is. Now, and this is in there very tight against this, so this isn't going to slide left or right for that to come out. Now what I'll do is I'll hook my lever up and I'll put it on the same hole. It's got 2 holes in it, so I'm going to put it on the same hole that the old one was in, which is this one back here. The bolt had a washer on it. Then another washer on this side, along with a fiber nut. And I'll snug those down. I won't tighten it down, I'll just snug it down to where it's still free and movable. Now you just go ahead and put the deck back on, which is fairly simple. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.